E-TECH.
In the Wilmer-Hutchins E-TECH, we have a saying, we're not better, but we're different. And I see it daily as our students walk through the halls, how they conduct themselves in classrooms, how their progress monitoring. They're different than the comprehensive student because they know to whom much is given, much is required.
My favorite part about being a math teacher in the collegiate program is just being able to be hands-on with the students and actually help them to get ready for something that's near.
I first came to Wilmer-Hutchins because of the opportunity to play varsity football as a freshman. But when I learned about E-TECH, I knew that I should join the program because of the opportunities academically.
Our overall goal is to impact and change lives. The work that we do here is making a difference in the future of our students.
Wilmer-Hutchins E-TECH has changed my life because I'll be able to graduate my associate's degree, and when I go to college, I'll be able to finish what I started in high school.
My favorite thing in being in this program is to have people around me like myself. It gives me someone I can depend on, someone that's all around to help me.
Well, me being a basketball player, it can be very hard trying to balance schoolwork and being an athlete because I am very dedicated to both. So the first thing I do is make sure my grades are on point.
My favorite thing about being in the program is working with all the industry partners and seeing new things and meeting new people.
We here at Wilmer-Hutchins E-TECH have been very fortunate to have 5 industry partners. At the beginning, we had our safety kickoff where all of our industry partners came out and showed our students the importance of safety on the job. We've also had guest speaker series, a soft skills workshop where the industry partners are working with our students on those skills that are necessary, those workplace competencies, so that when they do get those jobs right out of high school, they'll be prepared.
Our E-TECH has a huge impact on our students and their goals in life. Going to college, we have a lot of students now wanting to go. They're serious about going because it's attainable to them at this point.
So when you choose Wilmer-Hutchins E-TECH, just know that I'm here to help you to transition from high school to college.
Soar with us and be great.
So come on over to Wilmer-Hutchins E-TECH.
So again, join Wilmer-Hutchins.